All right, welcome back, everyone. Ready for another deep dive. This time, we're going to be exploring the world of AI and creativity. We'll be looking at this YouTube video I found. It's called Harnessing AI for Creative Content, Mastering Artistic Prompts. It's from a channel called Gen AI Explained Simply. And, I think this is something that's really interesting right now, right? I mean, AI is becoming more and more powerful as a tool for creative people, but the key is you got to know how to communicate with it, and then how to speak its language. So that's what this deep dive is all about. It's like a masterclass in crafting those prompts, those all important prompts that can really unlock AI's creative potential. And the video, it starts off by really highlighting just how important it is to give the AI detailed prompts. It's not enough to just, throw a broad topic at it and hope for the best. You really got to give it a solid foundation, a starting point to work with. For example, they talk about using an AI writing tool like ChatGPT to create a short story. And the prompt they give is write a short story about a retired astronaut who discovers an alien artifact in his backyard on the eve of his 75th birthday, sparking a government chase. See, that's a lot more than just a topic, right? It's a whole setup. What makes this prompt so effective is that it provides a framework, but without, being too rigid. Like, it's not telling AI exactly what to write word for word. And it's where, we're giving it the character, the setting, the conflict. We're setting a stage, but we're letting the AI do its thing, be creative within those boundaries. It's like giving a painter a beautiful set of colors and a nice canvas, but then letting them decide how to create the masterpiece. And then the video moves on to visual art and talks about AI tools like DALL-E, which, can generate these amazing images. But again, it all comes down to the quality of the prompt. So for example, the prompt they use for DALL-E is this, get this. Create a digital painting of a futuristic cityscape at sunset in the style of the neo-impressionist, emphasizing the interplay of light and shadow. That's a mouthful, right? But if you break it down, you can see how it's really strategically crafted. Like, it's not just telling the AI paint a futuristic city at sunset. It's getting in all this extra information. It's specifying the artistic style, the neo-impressionist style. It's even getting into the technical details, like the interplay of light and shadow. It's almost like you're collaborating with a team of virtual artists, each one specializing in a different aspect of the creative process. And your role as the prompter is like being the conductor of an orchestra. You're bringing all these different talents together. You're orchestrating them to create this final vision. So then, finally, the video gets into the world of design. To use the example of designing a gaming chair. Like, imagine you want to create this, innovative, cool gaming chair. So the prompt they suggest is design a sleek, ergonomic chair suitable for long gaming sessions, featuring adjustable lumbar support and customizable armrests, rendered in a minimalist style. Now, this is really interesting because it goes beyond just the aesthetics, right? Like, we're not just telling the AI, make a chair that looks cool. Yeah, we're also defining the functionality. We're saying it needs to be ergonomic, it needs to be adjustable, it needs to have these features. And I think this really highlights how AI is starting to blur the lines between design and engineering. We can now use language to not just describe what we want something to look like, but also how we want it to function. It opens up all these incredible possibilities. So yeah, as we've seen through all these examples, there's a common theme here. And the video makes this point really clear. Specificity is key when it comes to AI prompts. The more detailed and vivid your prompts are, the more aligned and impressive the AI's output will be. But I do have a question, something to think about. Is there such a thing as being too specific? Could those overly detailed prompts actually stifle the AI's creativity? Could it prevent it from exploring and innovating in ways that we might not even imagine? Or is that precision, that level of detail, actually what allows the AI to tap into its full potential? It's a tough question. But ultimately, I think this deep dive has shown us one really important thing. AI isn't here to replace human creativity. It's here to enhance it. It's a tool, a powerful tool, and it's up to us to learn how to use it effectively. It's up to us to master the art of prompting, to learn how to speak the language of AI, and to see AI not as a replacement for ourselves, but as a potential creative partner. So as you go out there and explore the world of AI, think about these prompting techniques. How can you use them to enhance your own creative work? What new possibilities can you unlock? That's something to think about. And that's it for this deep dive. Until next time.